Hello students, today we are going to start with our next topic, photo frame. So here is the material of making photo frame: craft paper, scissor and glue. Now for the photo frame we are using two paper and this one is the half paper. So like this way we need 2.5 paper. Okay, so we start our steps. First we have to take the one craft paper, fold in square, match corner to corner properly. You can take different color also or same color paper also, your choice. Like this way you have to fold the page in a square, so you got here 4 pieces. Yes, same way another page we also fold, and this one is the half page. So actually we need 10 pieces, 1 2 3 4, and here also we are cutting now 4 and this one 2. Okay, so see here our 4 and 4 half, this one 4, this one 4 and this one 2. Totally we want now to cut 10 pieces. Take precaution while cutting. Like this way we need small 4 pieces of square, total 10 pieces. Now see here, like this way we cut the 10 pieces. If you want different color, you can choose different color also. Now we start our making photograph steps. Okay, so take the one small piece of the square, and this square piece again we have to fold in a square only. So now take care of the small pieces, 10 total we are taking 10 pieces. Now this small piece again we have to fold in a square. See here, open this. Now again we got the here small 4 square. Yes, now after this we have to fold the opposite corner in a triangle. See here, up till the middle center line. Yes, opposite corner. After this turn over back side, and now this opposite corner, remaining one, we have to fold in a center point, up till the center point. Got it? I will show you again. Same step you have to do all 10 pieces. Small 1/4 piece of the paper. 1/4 piece of the paper, little square paper we got. We have to fold again in a square. Yes, small square. Open this. Now opposite corner we have to fold turn it over, and here remaining opposite corner we have to fold back side. Okay. After every fold, press it properly. Now pay attention here. After this step, this one corner we have to fold up till the center point. This one corner we have to fold up till the center point. Same on opposite side. Done. What we done? Opposite corner we have to fold up till the center line. Done here, like this way. Now pay attention again. We got here guideline, see small one. Now this up till this guideline we have to fold this corner up till here. See the downward page we have to fold up till the upside, up till this guideline. So press it here very well properly. So we need here another guideline. We got here another guideline. Same now, this side we have to fold up till this first guideline, up till the first guideline. And again open. See now how many guidelines we got here? 1. So now we have to fold this one. See this guideline again. 1, 2. Here also 1, 2. Now we have to fold this page up to the center guideline. Now this we have to fold it in a reverse. Same here. This one we have to fold up till the center line and fold it like this. Here we completed our one piece. I am showing you again another piece. Pay attention properly. Here now we have to do same thing, same steps all over these pieces, 20 pieces. See here we completed the 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now see how to join this. Piece we have to take and you have to this one insert here. Just like this way. We have to join all pieces. See these two here I completed. These two. And now these 3 pieces. See here, like this way our structure is completed. Now while sticking in the book, now we are applying the little gum here and This one we have to stick here like this way. Then again I will apply the gum here and stick it here like this way. Again I will put some little dot of gum here and this corner, and this two unit I will stick here. So we completed the photo frame. Okay, now we will stick in our book after joining this. Just I am showing the structure. In your middle page of your craft workbook, there is an outline given of photo frame. There you are going to stick your photo frame.